I'm going to show you 5 ways to protect your base from mobs. So, the first way is, of course, mobs think trapdoors are full blocks, so they'll walk on top of it to get you, but it fell to their death. Of course, you gotta do this to you have to do this for it to have any effect, or else it won't work. After I do this, I'll show you an example of one soon. Okay, so now spawn some zombies around here. Oh, I forgot. I have to set to game. I've set to I have to go into settings to set the difficulty to easy. Okay, so now I'm gonna spawn lots of zombies. Slash time set. Okay, so now I spawn lots of zombies. And now I've set my game mode to survival. Now they'll come for me, but they'll fall and they'll go onto the next block to kill them. But the baby zombies decide to survive on the head, but after a while they should die off. But it's a bit noisy though. There's one thing that I have to tell you. None of these are mine. And you can still get attacked, which is the bad thing. Okay, moving on to the next one. Okay, so now I'll show you the second way. It's this way. You might think this is kind of weird, but and I think it's weird too, cause this doesn't even work. But I'll just slash clear, and then I'll get some of these. Wait, where was it? Let's see. It's a natural. It should be. Wait, what? Oh, it's the sweet berries. Okay, so I'll put, and I also need some bone meal, so I could go like this. Okay, so now, I need to give it some bone meal so it can grow up, so they can deal damage. So So this technique is basically putting these all the way around your base because they deal damage, and the bamboo is there to mess up their sight. Okay, I'll place another one of these sweet berries here. Give the bone meal. Sweet berry, bone meal. Sweet berry, bone meal. Sweet berry, bone meal. Sweet berry, bone meal. Last but not least, sweet berry, bone meal. So that should be the last one. And now, I need some zombies. The bad part about this is that skeletons, sometimes they can still shoot you, which is not good. Oh yeah, I need to set the time to 9. Okay. Okay, so now I need to go in here and set my difficulty to survival. Now the zombies will come for me. Some of them will actually get in with you. So this way is not that good. So this way isn't that good. Okay. I just have to tell you, none of these are mine. I just like to use them a lot. Okay, so this one is 100% foolproof. See these end rods? They're full blocks. So when the zombies get onto them, when zombies try to get me, oh yeah, zombies can see through end rods. That's why end rods are so important. Or you can use slats. And I'll even spawn some skeletons to see if, no. The bad part about this one is that this one is not skeleton proof, so you actually have to have a house in order to make it skeleton proof. If you don't have any good parkouring skills, it's kind of difficult getting in and out. Okay, so now I need to set my game mode to survival. They'll all come for me, and even the baby zombies, they'll go and get her on the next one. So this is a really good way to get rid of mobs if you have a mob problem. And of course they go around lava. But some of them will get it. Yeah, broken some end rods here. This is the problem. You can't break any end rods. Even the big slime is getting close. Anyway, moving on. To the next one. This one, zombies, since zombies don't fall straight into pits, like, the AI won't let them do this. It won't let them do that. It will say no to that. So, I gave them a little stair, some little stairs, so they move down here, and then they'll get hurt here. If you hate them so much, or if you want to start, if you hate them a lot, or if you want to start a mob farm, this is the best way. But if you really want to start a mob farm here, then the best way is to put a villager there as bait, because that'll work way better than this. Okay, so I'll fill this with grass, and then I could take I could take water and stuff like that to, and then put some at each corner. And now I could push them into the center, or they'll fall down and do whatever you want them to do, really. Mine is just make them fall into the void. This Mega will just take down their health a bit. So this trap is very, very effective. Because it kills lots and lots of zombies quickly and efficiently. So see, they'll just fall right in, and hopeful, and usually they'll fall into the void. Okay. So if I spawn lots and lots of zombies here, like so. Okay, that should be enough zombies. Now I'll set my game up to survival and watch them go down the stairs and die and fall into the void. Haha. So this is also a really nice way, but this way is hard to get out. See, this is a better way unless you have serious parkour skills. Like so. But then you gotta make way to get inside, or else you would just die like this. So this is either a good way to protect villages, or if you have a way to build some sort of redstone bridge. The reason why this works is because look under here. There's magma down there, which will kill off the zombies. Those trapdoors are for decoration. You can replace them with anything you want. I'll just replace the corners with stone to make it look better. If you're looking for how to if you're looking for who taught me to build this design, then you should really go see Grian's channel. Okay, so now I need to spawn lots and lots of zombies. I need to close the trapdoor. Okay, so now I need to, and you see, if they stand on the pressure plate, not the pressure plate, but the magma cube, they will die very, very quickly too. So now, if I go here to my house, set my game up to survival, I can watch them die like this. Haha. But if I touch those that goes out, okay. Okay, that rounds up all of them. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe. Please smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you sometime soon, I hope. Bye!